Bullish Sushiswap cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.14 and $9.02 by 2030. Market experts accept Sushi could reach $4.14 by 2025. Bearish Sushiswap market cost expectation for 2022 is 73 cents. Sushiswap presentation. Sushiswap is a decentralized trade based on Ethereum that permits clients to exchange ETH and ERC20 tokens. It was made by a mysterious designer known as Gourmet Expert Nomi. The undertaking started as a fork of the famous Uniswap convention. Sushiswap utilizes a liquidity pool model in which clients can store tokens to procure exchanging expenses. It additionally boosts clients to give liquidity by giving them prizes as Sushi tokens. These tokens can be utilized to decide on administration choices or consumed for a portion of the stage's exchanging expenses. The Sushiswap group has been scrutinized for its absence of straightforwardness, as well as claims of insider exchanging and misappropriation. Be that as it may, the undertaking has kept on filling in ubiquity and stays one of the top DES on Ethereum today. What is Sushiswap? Sushiswap is a decentralized trade on the Ethereum blockchain that permits clients to exchange ERC20 tokens. It was made in September 2020 by a mysterious engineer known as Gourmet Specialist Nomi, and later procured by FTX Trade. The vital element of Sushiswap is its utilization of the mechanized market producer model, which permits it to give liquidity to its clients without the requirement for request books. This makes it a lot easier to use than customary DEXs, which can require complex exchange orders and can be challenging to explore. Sushiswap likewise offers a special motivator structure for liquidity suppliers, who can procure Sushi's the local badge of the stage, in return for giving liquidity. This gives a continuous income stream to LPs and assists with keeping the stage moving along as planned. Security notwithstanding its notoriety, there are a few worries about the security of Sushiswap. These worries come from the way that Sushiswap is a moderately new undertaking and has not gone through as much reviewing and testing as a few different ventures in the space. Furthermore, there have been a few occurrences of bugs and weaknesses being found in Sushiswap's brilliant agreement code. While these worries are legitimate, it is essential to take note of that Sushiswap has done whatever it may take to work on the security of their foundation. For instance, they have executed a bug abundance program to boost scientists to report any issues they find. Furthermore, they have employed a few trustworthy examining firms to survey their code. As Sushiswap keeps on developing, almost certainly these security concerns will be moderated. Versatility. Sushiswap has proactively shown extraordinary commitment regarding its adaptability. One of the main parts of any cryptographic money project is its capacity to actually scale. On the off chance that an undertaking can't scale, then, at that point, it is probably going to bomb in the long haul as interest for its administrations develops. Sushiswap has shown that it is fit for scaling by directing fruitful symbolic trades on Ethereum's Rinkebi testnet. This exhibits that the group behind Sushiswap knows about the requirement for adaptability and is striving to guarantee that their venture can satisfy future need. Another justification for why Sushiswap is versatile is on the grounds that it utilizes a crossover evidence of stake and verification of work agreement component. This implies that it isn't dependent on a solitary POW chain like Bitcoin or Ethereum, however, can rather utilize numerous chains if fundamental. This makes it significantly more adaptable and permits it to answer changes in network conditions better. At long last, Sushiswap has executed a few inventive highlights that make it scale into what's to come. For instance, its trade stage utilizes bunches, which permits clients to exchange various tokens all the while without trusting that every individual exchange will be handled. This enormously lessens blockage on the organization and guarantees that exchanges are executed rapidly and productively. Generally speaking, there are many justifications for why Sushiswap is a profoundly versatile task that ought to have the option to fulfill future need with no issues. Its utilization of various chains, clustered exchanges, and crossover agreement components all contribute towards making it perhaps of the most encouraging undertaking in the digital currency space today. Sushiswap current cost. Sushiswap is right now worth 92 cents USD. Sushi has moved 0.42% as of now with an exchanging volume of $29,460,455. Sushiswap is right now positioned 705 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $205,417,599 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Sushiswap to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Sushiswap value expectation 2023. In 2023, Sushiswap sushi cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of sushi will before long outperform $2.30. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the sushi's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, sushi will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.84 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.02. Sushiswap value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $3.22 and sushi might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Sushi is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.94 and a low of $2.76 in 2024. Sushiswap value forecast 2025. In the event that Sushiswap effectively supports market opinion among digital currency devotees, the sushi coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, sushi will be green in 2025. The sushi is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.14, with a base cost of $3.68 and a typical cost of $3.87. Sushiswap value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the sushi cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.79 by 2026, with a base cost of $4.60 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, sushi has a greatest value worth of $5.06. Sushiswap value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $5.71. On the off chance that sushi figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $5.98. Neglecting to accumulate the help sushi needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $5.52. Sushiswap value forecast 2028. While sushi is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $6.44 and a yearly cost close above $6.90 in 2028. Sushiswap value forecast 2029. By 2029, Sushiswap will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $7.36 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $7.82, averaging out at $7.55. Sushiswap value forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity,